This here is an AI generated image, and so is this image, and this one as well. So in today's tutorial, I'll share with you several AI tools that you can use to create amazing images just like those ones for absolutely free. So without wasting time, let's get started. First is Pikaso from Freepik, and with this AI tool, the sign-up process is really simple. So once you're in this interface, all you need to do is just go over to the prompt box over here and just input your prompt right here. For easier comparison, we'll be making use of just one prompt for all the AI tools that we'll be using. Next, you can go ahead and choose the model that you want to use from all the available models, as you can see down here. So once that is done, you can go ahead and choose the size that you want as well. So you can choose any aspect ratio from all these ones that are provided in this drop-down menu. Next, we'll be choosing the style that we want to use for our images. So you can see there are so many styles over here that you can choose from. So all you need to do is just pick a style that you want to create in. So once you've picked a style, then you can go on to choose a color. So if you want a specific color style, you can go ahead and choose from these ones that are provided over here. Once you're done with the colors, you can go ahead and choose the framing that you want. So from the ones provided, you can see the kind of image that you'll get. Finally, you can go ahead and choose the lighting that you want for your image. And once that's done, hit create. So this is going to take a few minutes to create your images. Now here we have our first set of images, which are pretty decent. So if you just go ahead and open any of them, you can go ahead and see how detailed the images are. So let's just go ahead and open up these images and just have a look at them one by one. So the images are of fair quality. They're actually good, other than a bit of discoloration on some of them that looks a bit unnatural. But for instance, this image looks really good, as well as this one. Like the lighting is so nice, so natural against the skin. You can see the hair, her smile, everything about this image looks very, very realistic. To download the images that we've generated, all you have to do is just go to the specific image that you want to download. And at the very top, you're going to see export, and you'll see a number of options that you can use to download your image to your PC. So to use an image as a reference with this AI tool, all you have to do is just to go back to the generation page, and right below the prompt, you can see this option to use an image as a reference, and you'll have options to upload your own image or even use some from your own creation to use as your reference image. So once you've selected the image, the next thing that you need to do is just click on use image, and this will be set as your reference. Our second AI tool is Dreamina from CapCut. So you can sign up with your CapCut account if you already have one. Next, go over to the Generate Image tab. And with this, you can go ahead and start generating your images from text. So in this prompt box over here, we're going to paste the same exact prompt that we used previously. And we want to go ahead and compare the kind of images we get with these AI tools. So you can click on the reference option to go ahead and upload an image reference. So I'll upload this image that we got from our previous AI generator. And as you can see, there are several ways that you can use this image as a reference, but we want to use this as a reference for a human face. So I'm going to click on human face because that's what I want to imitate. And then I'm going to click next. Then next, I'm going to choose the model that I want to use. From the ones provided, you can go ahead and choose one. Next, you can go ahead and choose the aspect ratio that you want. So you can even input one manually if you cannot see the one that you want. So once everything is set up, all you need to do is just go to the bottom and click on generate. So this is going to create your images. So here we have our first set of images. Now remember, we used a reference image for this. Now I want to create images without the reference. So as you can see, I've deleted the reference image, and now I'm going to maintain the rest of the settings, and I'm going to hit generate. So in this way, we can go ahead and compare the kind of images that we get with these AI tools without any alteration. So now these are the images that I've gotten with this AI tool with the same exact prompt that we used before. I'd say that these images are of way better quality than the ones that we got with the previous AI tool. Remember that you're using the same exact prompt in these, so you can see the details are way better compared to the ones that we got previously. Now to download your images with this AI tool, all you have to do is just go to the top and click on this download button, and the images will be downloaded to your computer. So you can go ahead and experiment with more prompts. On to our third AI tool, and that is PicLumen AI. So once you click on launch app, you land on this page over here. So you can go ahead and click on create. Next, you can go ahead and input your prompt in this prompt box. Now remember, we're using the same prompt, so I've just pasted it over here. Next, go ahead and choose the model that you want from the ones available. So I'm going to be using the fractional one. Next, I'm going to choose the aspect ratio that I want from the ones available. And next, I'm going to choose the number of images that I want. So I'm just going to choose 4 images for this generation. And next, I'm going to hit generate. So after a couple of minutes, you can see now these are the images that I got with this model as well. Now remember, here I used the Flux model on PicLumen. Looking at these images, I'd say that the results are pretty impressive. But when it comes to this specific prompt, I feel like CapCut did take the day. The images that we got with that are really, really good. Overall, they are the most realistic that I've seen. And now you can go ahead and try these AI tools using different prompts. Let me know what your results are. Let me know what your experience is with them. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.